Yeah. Ooh, what you know? Big shout out to CK Suave and Con Candy Factory. Got this new package in the mail. What's up, Zuko Dog? You excited too? All right, have a seat. Have a seat. Sit down. Sit down. Sit. Come on, we don't have that much time for this, so crack this open. Those of y'all, go follow. Got the links down in the bottom. Follow my boy CK Suave. Join the club over at www.cottoncandy.club. Got the Blackout collection. He's gonna be dropping a. Ooh, look at this box. He's gonna be dropping premiere of Tornado Pockets on MTV on July 17th, I believe is when it is. But yeah, big shout out to CK. These smell like roses. Oh, look at these. Look at these. Fresh. Look at that. Damn, I needed some shoes. That's fresh. Big shout out to CK Suave, Con Candy Factory. This is clean. This is clean. I'm gonna rock the hell out of these. Oh yeah, respect. Greatly appreciate that. Y'all stay smiling. Have yourselves a great day.